Welcome back to your sanctuary of satisfaction. Today, we're taking a moment to breathe and restore. We'll be performing a deep, meticulous cleaning of the nails and sidewalls, followed by a soft, aesthetic finish. Sit back, put on your headphones, and let the transformation begin. If you enjoy this peaceful journey, don't forget to subscribe to our community. We start by clearing the surface, preparing the nail for its deep reset. Every movement is gentle, aimed at revealing the natural beauty underneath. There is a profound sense of calm in seeing the first layers of stress being washed away. This is where we lay the foundation for a perfect, healthy look. Nothing is more rewarding than seeing the natural beauty restored. It's about more than just looks. It's about the feeling of being light, clean, and renewed. Every step brings us closer to that perfect, flawless finish we all find so satisfying. Hold your breath for a second, and there it goes. Requires the right pressure. Is finally I'm using my favorite precision instant relief and hydrating are all waiting for. Gently pulling it out. They are the secret. So satisfying to watch. Clean look. The pain if is you gone. Want to use the same tools. The space is clear. Everything is back in the description. And tagged the products below. Quality tools make every session more satisfying. Thank you for sharing this moment of quiet with me. I hope you leave this session feeling lighter and more relaxed. If you enjoyed this journey, Please leave a like. Reaching the end and subscribe. The surface daily satisfaction. The edges are clean, comments, and the harmony feels back after watching this. It's amazing how much little focused care, stay calm, can change the way everything feels. Take one last look at this perfect result.